Modernization is a big impact, and I will talk about modernization and its impact over the society. Modernization is something where all the people are getting changed time to time. They will tell me that I am very much changed, or I am very much modern, or I am very much different. So I will explain why are we giving this impact that we should be more modern, we should be more developed, we should be more good, we should be more best at something. Why do we speak these things? Why do we think that if a person is in a three-piece suit, he is a well-known and he's a big person and he is a very special person for all of us? Why? Why do we have this thing in our mindset? And if a person is going and he's not wearing such type of clothes and he's only wearing a small, if he's wearing only a simple type of salwar kameez, we call him by the name of Kaliwal. We call him a villager. He's a typical type of villager. Why do we call him that? Because we think that the modern people are better. Do the modern people have some sort of horns on their heads? Do the modern people have 4 legs? No, they are still the same humans. Modernization is having a very bad impact on our society. We are getting changed. Our religion and our priorities are changed. Our culture is changed. The culture that we used to follow. I have a story that I want to share. I still remember the last time when I went to Karachi. Anyway, when I was watching, so there was a mother and his kid. So what did the mother did? She was going and the kid was continuously annoying his mother. So what happened? The mother just was watching to the phone. She just gave him a lollipop in his mouth and said, "Please stop annoying me." So is it more important to give your children time, or is it more important to take your phone and WhatsApp and do chats and do these pictures and these selfies? Is this more important? Are you more important than your culture, than your priorities? We are getting changed. I say that modernization is very good until the time that it was for our comfort. This chair is a modernization. If you say that before 5,000 years, was the computer the biggest modernization if there was computer existing? It wasn't. So bow and arrow was the most biggest modernization in that time. If that was there or if that wasn't. So it was a big thing. It was a big modernization. So every time has its own modernization. We have these chairs, it is for comfort. We have our computers, it is for comfort. We have this mic, it is for comfort. So this always